Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to create a logo using the Smart Fill tool, and we are going to create a particular logo. This is called as the infinity logo, which is a pretty simple logo. So let us begin. So for that we have to create a circle. Press and hold the control key so that a perfect circle will be created, and keep the stroke to 4 points. It doesn't really matter, you can, because we are using it only for reference, so it doesn't really matter. Then create a square. Again press and hold control key so that a square will be created. Now again change it to 4 points, the stroke, and rotate the square by 45 degrees, 45, and place it like this. As you can see on your screen, place it so that two sides of the circle touch, two sides of the square touch the circle like a tangent. Now click on the square and press and hold shift button and just make the corners touch the circle's inside part. Now select both the objects and using the shaping option click on weld, so this shape is created. Remember, this shape is very important for this particular logo. Now using the shape tool, remove these 2 points. This is 1 and 2. Now use the contour tool and we have to create 3 steps like this, 1, 2 and 3 steps. If you create more than 3 steps, just reduce the steps from the property bar, because we are only looking for 3 steps as we are going to create this particular logo. Now rotate this by 90 degree like this. Press and hold the control key so that it will be easier for you to rotate it by 90 degree. Now copy this using the right click and the left click, or you can simply use Ctrl C Ctrl V, and there are other methods as well. Now mirror this using this mirror horizontally option and just place it like this. And remember, the lines have to be overlapped like this, they cannot be separated, they have to be touching together. Now the Smart Fill tool comes, select all the objects like 2 objects, and using the Smart Fill, now we are going to color this particular area. So click over here, there. Now we don't want this part, but we can remove it later on. And remember, don't color this particular area. Now I want to remove this area, this particular area, so I'm going to select all the nodes using the shape tool and convert it to line and simply remove it one by one, or you can remove them together like this. So this is what it looks like. Again select both the shapes, Smart tool, and now we are going to create this particular shape. So this one, again we don't want this area, but we are going to remove it later on. Again using the shape tool, select all the nodes, click on this particular convert to line and remove the extra area that you don't want. This looks good. Now delete the part below which was there originally that we created, and keep this part only. And now select these shapes by pressing and holding the shift button and clicking it. So this part is remaining, this one, or rather I think looks good, and click on the weld option. Now remaining, select all the shapes and weld. So these are the 2 main shapes. Now adjust the shape accordingly like this. This is not looking even, so make it even using the shape tool. Similarly here, and stop whenever you are satisfied with the shape. Now This is almost done. Remove the outlines, select the first shape, and using the interactive fill tool, color it. And color combination, it depends upon your choice, it doesn't really matter. Presently I'm using the red color. I'm using the same red color over here, and I'm going to lighten this color using the color panel like this. Same thing using the interactive fill, and I'm using blue color for the second shape, this shade of blue, and I'm using the same blue color over here. And then later on I'm going to reduce the darkness or make it a bit lighter like this, and simply create a rectangle, or simply I'm going to copy this particular rectangle, control end, so that it goes behind the shape. So that's it, we have created a simple logo using the smart fill tool. So you can try different color combinations, and if you will, you can also try some shape variations as well. But do try this, it's pretty simple. So if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.